in sixth part of nitrogen mechanism, one of the important aspect, that is nitrogenase enzyme. So what is the structure of nitrogenase enzyme and the details about it we'll see here. So structure, related to the structure, we can see here that nitrogenase enzyme, actually it is a complete group of enzymes. And these are encoded by NEP genes. Nitrogenase enzyme has two components, component 1 and component 2. Component 1 is actually heterotetrameric molybdenum ferrous protein. And it reduces nitrogen into ammonia. The other components, along with molybdenum ferrous protein, there are two alpha subunits, two beta subunits, also two iron circle cluster. It is also called as a P cluster, which is located at the interface between alpha and beta subunits. And this component first is having 242 to 250 kilodalton weight. So electrons from Fe protein, which is there in component second. We are going to discuss related with the component second later. But see here ki electrons from ferrous protein, that is the component second, enter component first, that is molybdenum ferrous protein, and from there electrons goes to P cluster or ferrous iron cluster, and then reach to ferrous molybdenum cofactor. And actually ferrous molybdenum cofactor acts as site of nitrogen fixation. Component first is also called as dinitrogenase component or molybdenum ferrous protein. Now component second. So component first is heterotetrameric molybdenum ferrous protein, and component second is homodimetric iron protein. Component second is having high reducing power. It supplies electrons to molybdenum ferrous protein to reduce the nitrogen to ammonia. And therefore, this ferrous protein is also called as reductase. Component second, along with Fe protein, have one ferrous sulfur cluster having molecular weight 60 to 64 kilodaltons. Now see, component second is also called as protein second reductase or iron protein or dinitrogenase reductase. See now, component first, that is molybdenum ferrous protein, and component second, that is iron protein or dinitrogenase reductase. Both these enzymes, they are oxygen sensitive. Nitrogenase enzyme is a metalloenzyme as it contains molybdenum or iron like metals along with the protein. This nitrogenase enzyme is found in diverse group of prokaryotes, and these groups include aerobic heterotrophs. In presence of air, can do the process of nitrogen fixation. Aerobic and anaerobic phototrophs. Heterotrophs can't prepare their food. Here phototrophs can produce their food. So such organisms in presence of oxygen or in absence of oxygen even can do the process of nitrogen fixation. So secondly, aerobic and anaerobic phototrophs. Also, strict anaerobically even nitrogen fixation is done in some of the prokaryotes. So there are different types of these enzymes actually in above discussed groups: aerobic, anaerobic, aerobic and anaerobic, or strict anaerobes. So here nitrogenase enzyme present is of different type, but as biochemically this enzyme is similar, the complete family of this enzyme is referred as a nitrogenase. See here the structure of nitrogenase enzyme. See, you can see here alpha subunit, beta subunit, and also molybdenum ferrous cofactor. Now see here nitrogenase enzyme complex. See, Fe protein and molybdenum ferrous protein are component second and component first. They come together and forms nitrogenase enzyme complex. So this is all about the structure of nitrogenase enzyme. Lastly, related to the functions of nitrogenase enzyme. very important in biological nitrogen fixation. Nitrogenase enzyme is. It delivers electron from Fe protein or component first to component second, that is molybdenum iron protein. Sites for substrate binding and reduction, they are located on the MOAP protein, that is component first. Nitrogen fixation is actually catalyzed by nitrogenase enzyme, and thus atmospheric nitrogen is converted into usable nitrates NO3 or ammonia NH3 and is used for growth of the plant. Another importance of nitrogenase enzyme is, as is very important in biological fixation process, and making available nitrogen to the into the usable form. The process is very important for sustaining life on the earth.